Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina 26TH toy hauler. This is a non-slide out, smaller toy hauler. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this beautiful RV, show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 26TH toy hauler. We're going to start back here in the back, and then we'll kind of work our way forward for you. So stepping out here, we're going to have a patio system. You'll kind of see this from the ground when we get out there as well. But you do have a little door to go off the back. Now you can get a set of steps aftermarket if you want to go off the back section. It's a nice little folding patio rail system here. Now I dropped down the little screen wall that they offer with this thing as well. And I put the screen or the flapper up so you could kind of see through the screen, or you can leave the flapper down. It's got a zipper in the middle, and it basically just kind of velcros into place when you're setting it up. See a little bit of diamond plate metal there across the top, and then also prepping for that rear Furrion camera. Now stepping back in here, you have two sofas, one on each side, and they will flip up against the wall. You have a window on this side, and down below is one of the vents. You have D-rings in the floor to tie down your toys. Over on this side, you have your sofa again, and that will flip up against the wall also, but there's no window there. They do some shelf space up above and some cabinetry above your window area. You have a ducted AC and LED lights in your ceiling up here. This one was ordered with the two chairs as well. Those are pushback recliners, freestanding, so you can take them out of the RV if you don't want to use them, or you could set them back on the porch area, or even take them outside, set them by the campfire if you really want to. So nice freestanding chairs there if you want that feature. If not, it's just basically open floor space. Again, they're freestanding, so you can kind of maneuver them around depending on the size of your toy that you have. You may or may not want those chairs. Over here you have a couple drawers, and these are full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. You have high-rise sprayer faucet. There's a couple electric outlets over here. USB charger ports. The window back there opens as well. The unit is prepped for a 4G LTE Wi-Fi system that you can do aftermarket. They are using a GE air conditioner, a GE microwave, hood range, oven, and also a refrigerator. So you have a 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, which is 12 volt. Another nice little thing that they do that most don't is they actually put an on-off switch right here for that refrigerator. So if you don't want it to be working, you can actually shut it off and make sure that somebody can't accidentally turn it on by having a kill switch there, because there is also an on-off switch in the refrigerator, but it's best to turn them both off in case you really don't want it to work. You have the GE microwave up there, and again, 3-burner stovetop with the glass oven, light up knobs. Below the refrigerator, electric box with the breakers and fuses. You have the propane leak detector as well. Nice big window overlooking the campsite area. You have JBL stereo system here. There's TV hookups here. There's an HDMI cable there as well. Couple indoor speakers up here also. You have your digital thermostat for your air conditioner and your furnace. Over here, we're going to have our bathroom area. So you have skylight up above, a little medicine cabinet and sink area over here, step-in shower, ABS tub surround, glass enclosure. We have a little foot flush toilet area, some shelf space and storage back there as well. Little towel holders there. And you also have some storage here for your linens. There is also a little vent fan up there. Now into the bedroom area here, you're going to have a window on each side of the bed, and the windows do open, so you can get some nice cross breeze on a good fall night. You have hanging closet on each side of the bed, upper cabinets as well. It is basically a walk-around camper queen. You have a lift-up bed here as well, so you could store something under there if you needed to. Electric outlet and USB charger ports on each side. There's a cable outlet and electric outlet up there, backer in the wall, so you could put your TV on the wall if you wanted. Sliding door here to block off the bedroom area for privacy. You'll also notice your heat ducts are coming out the wall instead of through the floor. But there is a decent amount of room here to kind of maneuver around the bedroom area. All right, now we're going to head outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. Oh, right before we do, another vent here, and then also your control panel, motion light. You have motion light up. You have interior, exterior lights, water pump, water heater on gas, the electric buttons outside, Bluetooth connectivity, so you can do some stuff with your phone app. And then you have your awning in and out button as well. All right, now we're going to head outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 26TH toy hauler travel trailer here. We're going to start here on the door side. We'll kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, you have an aluminum exterior, wood studded constructed RV. You have deep tent safety glass windows, power awning with an LED light strip close to the body of the RV. It is a multi-color changing LED light strip. It does also have adjustable arms for tilting, and you also have manual override in the front arm head. You have a little storage area here. There is kind of a little folding table that comes with it as well. You can also see the 30 amp Go Power charge controller for the solar panel. Baggage door held up by a magnetic holder instead of a plastic clip. Spare tire mounted underneath the bottom of the RV. The unit has an auto level jack system. It's called the BAL 5.3 system. So you have a large tongue jack on the front, which has the control panel in it. You have two stabilizers in the front, and then you're going to have two heavier duty, kind of like fifth wheel electric auto level jacks in the back. So what actually happens, you hit the buttons and the front tongue jack and the two in the back do the auto leveling, and then the front two come down and stabilize. But a really nice system by BAL. I would definitely check out their little YouTube video on it. Kind of shows you a little more about it. They're using the More Ride entrance step, which comes down, touches the ground, has adjustable feet, rated for 500 pounds, flips up inside the doorway when you're traveling. They're also using the nicer More Ride entry door handle that comes out a little bit further and then just collapses back in when you're traveling. Fiberglass entry door with the screen door, does have the window in it. You have two JBL speakers up high. There's also a little vent on this side up by the top of the door there. There's one on this side and one on the other side, you'll see when we get over there. But basically those are vents to allow fumes to escape when you're traveling down the road. So if you have a motorcycle with gasoline, or your Razor in there with gasoline or whatever, shaking and rattling and rolling around in there, those could possibly vent out fumes, and you want those to be able to escape when traveling. So those are also on the RV as well. You have aluminum wheels, Easy Lube hubs, drum brakes. There's an electric outlet and cable outlet right here. There's also a gas line hookup where that little white tag is hanging down there. So if you wanted to plug in a portable outside grill or something, you could do so. On the back left corner there is also the little pet-friendly leash latch holder as well. The aluminum is kind of a light silver with some darker grays as far as coloring on there. You've seen the patio out when we were inside there a few minutes ago, but here's kind of what it looks like from ground level. Again, the door on the back would swing open. You could buy an aftermarket set of steps if you wanted to come down off the back of there. It is prepped in the top center up there for a Furrion rear observation camera. It's a nice aftermarket feature you can add on that allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or traveling or backing into a campsite. The other side vent right there, your cable and satellite inlet there as well. I like the little metal fender flare there just to kind of be a little different where a lot of them use plastic. You also have a furnace exhaust out right there, stove exhaust vent up there as well. Detachable power cord. This is a 30 amp power cord on this one. It's about 30 feet long roughly. Just above that you have your gravity fill freshwater tank. You have your city water inlet, black tank flush, outside utility shower here with hot and cold water. And they actually mount the little shower head holder up here so you can actually take a real shower out here if you wanted to, rinse off when you come back from the beach. You have your gray tank and black tank dump right here. Just in front of the axle hanger back there is your hot and cold, or I'm sorry, your freshwater tank drain. And then just right here is your hot and cold low point water drains. The unit does have an enclosed underbelly. You have your 6-gallon gas electric water heater right here. Now right here, we're gonna also have some real important informational stickers for you right here. So this one has a production date. This was built on 8/9 of 23, model number 26TH. Gross vehicle weight, 7,900 pounds. That's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, don't exceed that. You're gonna have your VIN number also on there. Just above here, we have our unloaded vehicle weight sticker, 5,476 pounds with an exterior length of 30 feet. Tire size, ST205 75R15D range tires with a 65 PSI cold rating. Very, very important to make sure you keep up with your tire pressure. Now, as you can see, the front is sloped and rounded off pretty well, just to try and make it a little more aerodynamic, so it's not your traditional flat front RV. Again, one of the new changes for 2024, besides the coloring of the outside and everything, is going to be the BAL frame. So they actually changed a lot. Sometimes I forget to mention some of this stuff, but you have a whole new frame on the RV. It is the BAL by Norco. So I would definitely check out that as well. They got some videos and information on that. Really nice frame system that basically can be easier repaired in case of an accident. 2 20-pound propane tanks, auto changeover regulator, hard bottle cover. Again, that BAL front jack system flips up, has your control panel right here, some instructions in there as well. Also can be manually override in case of an electronic failure. There is a battery disconnect back here and room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back here as well. 2 5/16 hitch ball. You have that large foot pad as well on the front and on the 2 back jacks that have adjustable feet on them, so you can get some extra length out of them if needed. And then you can somewhat see up there, there is a 200-watt solar panel on this one. And then down here you have a little toy lock. So you have a cable that pulls out. You could wrap it around your kids' bikes or maybe your motorcycle, four-wheeler or whatever, and then latch it back into place. So you're less likely to have something stolen when you're away from your camper. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more videos. Also, remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money if you're interested. Thanks again.